Hey guys, so today we're not going to do anything. I'm just going to sit down and watch the clouds. Well, that's doing something, but you know what I mean. The streets of Minnesota. These clouds look beautiful. Sadly, it's cold out here, but it's going to rain in a few hours, I bet. Oh. Let's take a little walk. I'm not going to walk as far as last time, but you know. I didn't bring a jacket because I was in a rush. There's just a dog. I don't know why. Shush! Shush! Stupid dog! Jesus. Ow. That's glass. Now let's loop back around. Whoa! Stupid dog's still barking. Clouds look beautiful. Sun's already setting. But it looks like morning to you guys. But it looks like sunrise to you guys. Wow. It's actually the opposite over here. But yeah, to you guys it looks like sunrise. Sunset right now, but it's just the brightness difference. Let's go back. Y'all are gonna see the Roblox video. I'm going to frick. Almost tripped. Keep on watching the clouds. Hey, Adrian! Recording another video. Just some cloud watching. A walk, you know. Trees. Huh, pretty cool car. Look at that one. That one's big. Wait, that one's a small one right there. Yeah, that one. Ooh, that one's all alone. Aw, man. Let's see if we can find any stars. Oh! Found a star. There it is. That's where the star is. There's another star. No, because that's a satellite. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Hold on. Zoom all the way out. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's that's a satellite. It's a satellite. Alright. Yeah, you can see the little red thing. You can see it glowing red. I mean, maybe y'all can't see it because your vision is like, I don't know. But, where was it again? It was like somewhere. Yeah, there. See, it's flashing red. Hold on. Trying to move it as still as I can. No, it's over there. Hold on. So the camera's right there. So it's a tree. And then we go up from there. A little bit. I have really great vision because it's somewhere up in there. But mainly there's that one. Yeah. I can see that one over there. You might not be able to see it, but that one's a satellite. Yeah, those clouds are pretty cool. I wonder how they build satellites. They probably like send them off into space like rocket ships, but pretty cool stargazing. There's no other stars. Oh, yeah, it's not midnight. Of course there wouldn't be any stars, but... Huh. Pretty sure that that's a star, because I can't see any red from it, but let me zoom in. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a star. But yeah, there's a satellite that you can't see that's like up over... Hold on, where's my finger pointing? Hold on. Like nearby there. Right there. Zoom in on that. Yeah, that's a satellite. Because you can see like the little red beeping. Yeah, it's a satellite. Alright. So dark. And cold, but mostly dark. Dude, I went on a joyride on my electric scooter. So fun. I was doing tricks on it and stuff. I'm basically a pro on that. Let's see. There's nothing really else to do. Might post another video of some more Roblox gameplay. Shush for once! Jesus! That thing's really making me mad, but let's go back inside. Yeah, let's go back inside. Actually, I'm gonna release a video of some game I found that's an SMBZ game, but yeah, that's all for today. Bye. Well, not today, but right now.